before we get out, gotta get all the snow off the car. Went from almost no snow yesterday afternoon in the low 40s to this. This is one of our first spring snowstorms of 2023. Yes, that's right. This is a spring snowstorm, not a winter one, because it's not winter anymore. Say about 2-3 inches of snow on the car right now as it is. Pretty cool. This morning, I think I will be heading out to Pelizzari Natural Area. My thoughts on this is twofold. Number one, the hemlock forest area is beautiful with a bunch of snow. And number two, it's close. I don't want to be driving too far out in these weather conditions if I don't need to. It's not really necessary travel, but it's hard not to want to come out and grab a couple frames of this beautiful spring snowstorm that I'm in the midst of at the moment. I believe it's going to be quite beautiful out there, but on the same note, it's also good, as fellow YouTuber Thomas Heaton has described in one of his previous videos that he just put out a bit ago. He talks about expectations and what you think is going to happen when you get out there, and your hopes for what you're going to see and capture. But in fact, sometimes it doesn't even work out that way. It just works out to be something totally different, and you just kind of have to roll with it sometimes. So saying that, we'll just see what happens. Look at that. After a nice slow crawl here to stay safe, we've arrived at the bottom trailhead area at Pelizzari, and I think I'm going to park in the protection of these trees just a little bit. This way I don't get quite much snow on the vehicle later. That's the ticket. Look at how pretty that is. So it's about 30 degrees out right now, so the snow's actually kind of wet. And then tomorrow it's going to be like 40, clear and sunny. So a lot of this is going to probably vanish tomorrow, but yeah, I'm not going to do much filming when I'm out here because my camera, as you can see already, is starting to get so clogged and wet with snow on the lens that it's not going to be worth too much cinematic quality. But I'm going to head into them their hemlocks and get a couple cool shots with my Panasonic Lumix FX-07. Alright, I think I'm going to wrap this little short video up. I'm not going to say much. The plan for this video was really to have no plan. I'm going to just keep on walking around this beautiful area and enjoying the serenity and the quiet that is offered when it's like this outside, because no one wants to go out, so you get the whole place to yourself, and that's really quite a bonus for the drive in my opinion. So anyway, take it easy, get outside and get some fresh air, and we'll see you next time.